Located in Cornwall, England, the Eden Project is one of the most ambitious environmental undertakings of the 21st century. This extraordinary site, now home to the largest indoor rainforest in the world, began as an abandoned China clay pit, a stark industrial landscape. The clay pit was originally used for the extraction of kaolinite, a crucial ingredient in China clay. By the mid-20th century, the pit had been exhausted and left barren, with little to suggest it could ever support life again. In 1998, a visionary project led by Sir Tim Smith began the transformation of this desolate pit. The plan was to create a series of biomes, massive geodesic domes, capable of housing ecosystems from different climates around the world. The construction process involved over 400 workers and took 2.5 years to complete. The domes, designed by architect Nicholas Grimshaw, were constructed using a steel framework and clad with hexagonal and pentagonal ETFE panels. ETFE, a lightweight and durable polymer, was chosen for its exceptional ability to transmit light while providing insulation. The domes cover an area equivalent to 30 football pitches and house two distinct biomes, the Tropical Rainforest Biome and the Mediterranean Biome. The geodesic design, inspired by the work of Buckminster Fuller, allows for a large, uninterrupted interior space, ideal for recreating vast ecosystems. The Tropical Rainforest Biome is the largest of the domes, standing at 55 meters high, 100 meters wide, and 200 meters long. It contains over 1,000 different plant species, representing the diverse flora of tropical regions such as Southeast Asia, West Africa, and South America. The biome is carefully controlled to replicate the temperature and humidity of these regions, maintaining conditions suitable for the plants to thrive. Adjacent to it is the Mediterranean biome, smaller in scale but equally impressive. This biome simulates the climates of the Mediterranean basin, California, South Africa, and parts of Western Australia. Here, the temperature is kept at a warm, dry level, perfect for olive trees, citrus groves, and grapevines. The biome showcases plants that have adapted to survive in regions where water is scarce and summers are hot. In addition to its botanical wonders, the Eden Project offers one of the most exhilarating experiences in the UK, the SkyWire. Stretching almost 700 meters across the site, it is the fastest zip wire in the country, reaching speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. As riders soar over the biomes, they are afforded a unique bird's-eye view of the entire complex. Today, the Eden Project stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the power of ecological restoration. It has transformed a site of industrial decay into a living laboratory of biodiversity, sustainability, and education. More than just a visitor attraction, it serves as a reminder of our capacity to reshape our environment and reconnect with the natural world.